What's going on, everybody? Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here, and today I'm going to show you a quick how-to on removing your taillight housings for your F-150, swapping the bulbs, and popping them back in. So, super easy job that you can do in your driveway, and we'll get into it right now. First thing you want to do is drop your tailgate, and there's going to be two screws here on the inside of the bed that are holding the taillight. We're going to use a small ratchet with a 5/16 socket to back both of these out. Now we're going to pop the taillight housing out starting at this edge where it would meet the tailgate. Just get your fingers in there, pop it forward, and there's some plastic clips that are holding it in. And then once you have some clearance up here at the top, you can pop those two, and there's going to be a tab here and here on the bottom. We'll lift this out and flip it. And there's a little connector on the back here where you can just push with your thumb and pinch, and that connector will come free. So now you can get the whole housing out of the truck. Looking at the back side of the housing now, you can see the sockets here for our blinker bulb, the brake light bulb, and the reverse light bulb. And to pop these out, you basically just need to rotate it. It'll kind of unlock. You can wiggle this back, and the bulb will be installed in the socket there. So you just want to pinch from the bottom, kind of wiggle it back and forth. Should pop out, no issues. And then once you have your new bulb, you'll pop it back into place the exact same way, and we can just slide it in the way we took it out. Now you'll do that same process for all three or whatever ones you have to swap. And once that's done, we can put this back in the truck. Now grab this wiring harness that we disconnected a little bit ago, and we're going to click it back into place. And then you do want to make sure that you also have these little rubber caps for the tabs that go into the bedside. So you can see on this post, the cap stayed on it, so that'll push into place. On the lower post, it actually stayed stuck into the bedside. That's not a big deal. It'll line up and it'll still go in there. You just want to make sure that you don't lose it or that it doesn't fall out, or else the taillight's going to rattle and it won't seal properly. All we need to do now is replace these two screws that we took out earlier to tighten the taillight to the bed, and we'll be good to go. All right, there you have it. That's all it takes to pop out your taillight housings and swap your bulbs. So hopefully this was a helpful video for you guys. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time.